We will assemble a square box with a lid, fill it with sugared chocolate hearts, and decorate the lid. These wedding favors will be a great addition to your wedding tables. Here is the pre-folded box, with a lid. You will find many similar boxes online. These boxes are provided flat-packed, but are easy to assemble. Choose a box that reflects your wedding theme. We have chosen an ivory, embossed box. Once you press on the edges to make the box square, fold in all flaps, one by one. The longest flap should be folded last, as it will form the bottom of the box. Next, we will assemble the lid. Follow the pre-folded lines. Push the little triangles in, forming the corners of the box. Fold the short flaps in, leaving the long flap to be folded last. Once you create all 4 corners, fold the long flap, completing the lid. Fill the box with sweets. Cut a piece of wide ribbon, and glue the end of the ribbon to the bottom of the lid. Lead the ribbon to the top of the lid, and then back to the bottom of the lid. Cut the ribbon, and glue the end to the bottom of the lid. Let the glue dry. And finally, glue a laser-cut wooden decoration on top. We are adding a dove, but you could choose a heart, or a butterfly instead.